Hi y'all, it's Manda. Welcome to my channel. Guess what just got delivered? It's my Simply Gilded subscription. So let's pop this sucker open. This is my second one. It's not open. It's really sticky on there. So let's pop this open. And ooh, Iceland, huh? That's the theme. So cute. Oh, I like the box. Let's pop this open and see what's inside. I think this is like the best subscription box like ever. Oh, it came with a box thingy this time. Okay. So this just tells you what's in it. So we're gonna not look directly at it. Oh, so we've got stickers. Ooh, what's this? Is that vellum? I think it's vellum. Okay, foiled journaling card. So it's probably in here. So we got our sticker kit. Oh, this is a notebook. It's always a notebook. Always a little notebook. And it's just, ooh, this one's dot grid. Nice. Oh, never have too many of those, honestly. Then we got the washi tapes, the sticker kit. Ooh, so pretty. I like, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this is definitely gonna have to be used in my planner some point this month. Oh, it's so cute. That's that side. We have the dots, the seals, the headers and boxes. Oh my goodness. I love the puffins. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, so yeah, that's definitely gonna have to be probably next week's Plan With Me. and in my work in classic planner, you know? Okay, we'll put those aside. So beautiful. Okay, next on the list is this little case. So cute. I can find how to open it. Where's is it just sealed? So there it is. I always had it right. It was on this side. I just couldn't find it. Oh, this is so cute. So adorable. So adorable. Oh my goodness. So cute. To stash your things in. All right, next up is, that was the B6 stitched binding notebook, engraved jelly pen. Okay, so we have our bear charm here. I don't know if anybody uses those. This is a bear key fob, whatevs. All right, time for the good stuff. What is this? I guess this is the mystery item. What is this supposed to be? Is this like a, what is this supposed to be? Is this like a corner thing? Like you put it on a corner of something? Like a corner marker? Bookmark kind of thing? Is that what that is? I don't know. It's the only thing I can think of to use it for. All right. So, ooh. Oh, this one's really pretty. I like this one. This is probably the same as the other last month's But let me get the notebook. So this was last month's, and there was a B6 notebook in there as well that I'm using as a washi sampler thingamaboob tester and testy thingies. So we can see this pen. Yeah, it's pretty much the same pen. But I like this one. It's silver. Super, super awesome. Okay. I'm happy about that. So far, I'm really excited. Other than like, what am I gonna, I probably won't use these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. So here's here's bits from last time. Make sure I have everything out. Okay. This is the journaling card, but it's postcard. It's really pretty. All right, I'm gonna stick that back in here. I'm gonna see if I can fit all this stuff in here. No, that doesn't fit. Okay. Just trying to organize myself here. All right. So this was the Home Sweet Home from last month, and it was like all gold based. Hoping that this one is more silver based, maybe. And this is the Iceland November. Is that what? Okay. Going to test out this pen while we're at it. This pen is amazing. And I should know because I hand wrote NaNoWriMo using pens. All right, so let's get started with, oh, these are so pretty. So I get the 3mm add-on. So I should have, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so let's start with the 3mm add-ons. Oh, I forgot this. What is this supposed to be? Foil journaling card, washi tapes, stickers and seals, pouch, bind a notebook, pen, charm. Oh, here's the vellum and acetate sheets. Oh my gosh. Can you say planner setup? Oh my goodness. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I like this one. It's very, I mean, I think it's this like attempted to be this pattern, sort of. Or this pattern was attempting to be this pattern. I really like that. It's like very sweatery. And this one just, oh my gosh, so pretty. All right, I missed those, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the add-ons. This is the 3mm add-ons. So we've got, let's say, which ones it is? Okay, so let's start here. This is like hearts and stars with different, and with silver. Let me get this is my box opener. I'm just gonna use this as the sharp edge. So pretty. Oh, this one's like a dark brown, like a chocolate brown with silver stars as well. That's really pretty too. Oh, I'm more of a silver person than a gold person, so this is like red, and I like the stars and stuff. So this is right up my alley. This is just silver foil with white stars, looks like. There we go. so pretty. Oh. Okay, so this is the bow, the rainbow like bow theme. Oh, so pretty. And it's like sort of like an aurora borealis kind of thing. Look into it. And these are silver. I will definitely probably use the heck out of this one. Out of this color scheme. And it matches the like the sky in here. Let's try to be careful and not cut myself. This is the hard part, is getting all these open. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and open all the rest of these, and I'll be back. All right, so I've gotten them all open. Yay! So it's the hard part of opening one of these boxes and finding where the washi starts. So this is like the medium width one. This is like the 5 mil, I want to say. Oh, so pretty. And this is this like standard size one. So pretty. Oh, I love it. And then, oh, this one's interesting. It's got like a texture to it. This is like the puffin one. It's got a texture to it. And I don't know if it's just this top layer. No, it's got a texture. It's like sandy. Like a sand texture. Like, I don't know. It's weird. I've never come across a washi that had that. And let's pull that off because it's got like a icky bit. Yeah, it's weird. It's kind of rough and it's weird. I like it. It's cute, but yeah, I'm just getting that bit off. That was weird. It's a bizarre texture. And now, like, my nail polish is coming off from like being violent with this stuff. It's okay. So this is the like sweater texture, the sweater pattern one. Ah! Sorry about that. That was my work phone having a conniption fit. This one I think is my favorite out of the entire set. It's like this background, the mountains, so pretty with the sort of town and whatnot on it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it so that I can kind of see the entire thing. And I'll put this one here. It's like the rest of it. But yeah, I think that's my favorite. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so last two. These are like the header ones. So header and what do you call them? Oh my god, like my brain has just gone. Yeah, headers, right? Yeah, headers and date covers. That's what I meant. I'm just gonna put these in here. And let's do this one. Like so. I think that's kind of the end. I really like this one, that it's like a neutral, like brownish color. That way you can kind of use it with other stuff as well. Oh, so pretty. But yeah, here we go. If you can see them, hopefully. I think this one definitely my favorite right there. But oh yes, this subscription box this time around definitely hit it on the mark. The last one, it's okay, but some of the things I wouldn't use, but definitely this one I will. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Oh, just beautiful. My favorite so far. All right, see you next time.